If you're trying to manifest your way out of 2026, you're probably not going to succeed. I'm not saying that to be arrogant, but I'm saying it so that you understand the consequences of trying. Because trying implies not having. And not having is not you. You already have it. That is what Neville meant when he said, it's done. Right? He didn't mean, yeah, you need to have to work hard, you need to do certain exercises. No. He meant to let go of the desire to get it. Because why get it when you already have it? Knowing is the key here, the law of knowing. You don't try to know your age or know your current car, right? You just know. And that's the same thing that you need to do in order to manifest a new reality. You're simply imagining yourself to be different. We call that character development. We'll talk about that more on this channel. But step behind yourself and observe yourself as a character, as a Sims character or a character in a movie, right? What character are you observing? And right now, most likely, you are observing a character that tries to be rich, tries to be healthy, whatever. But you can actually move awareness without trying. You can sit still after this video and you can move awareness to how would I imagine myself to be rich? How would I imagine myself to be healthy? How would that feel? And not feel as an emotion. You can actually feel totally still in this moment. So you don't need euphoria or ecstasy or joy or happiness. You don't need this big emotion. You just need to know that you are it. And knowing transcends everything. So, what's the difference between being delusional and just knowing yourself to be something? Well, there's no difference. Because delusional is a mind word. Nothing exists outside of awareness, and everything exists in awareness. So, there's nothing that does not exist. You cannot comprehend something that does not already exist in awareness. So, being delusional is a mind word. It's a cheap trick to downplay you, to tell you that's too far to take your dreams. But it's not to awareness. And that awareness is that awareness that some people call God or Allah, Source, consciousness. It's that awareness that you are an extension of. And that encaptures everything that you will ever experience. So there's no such thing as being delusional, only in physical reality or the world of the mind, but not to awareness. You can start being aware of yourself as anything you want. And that's the trick. It's not a trick, but that's the trick to manifesting everything you want in 2026. And I think I'll leave you with that for now. I've been gone for a few weeks. I was visiting a city called Tromsø in the northern part of Norway, close to the Arctic Circle. Beautiful place, magical place. But now I'm back, better than ever. And you are too. Talk to you soon.